Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here we are on tutorial number, what is this, 10, 11, 12, 11. I think 11. I don't know. We are back. But today I actually wanted to create something a little bit more sultry, if I can. If I'm going to try. Just going to focus on two colors and create more of a sultry look. And we will see what kind of look I'm going to come up with. I mean, this is definitely going to be completely different from the last video I did, where it was like very, very editorial and just colors everywhere, boom, boom, boom. But this one, we're going to tone it down, bring it in, and come back together, regroup, and we will see what kind of look we will create with this. And let me go ahead and prep my eyes, and then we'll get right back into this. All right, eyes are prepped. They are so off. Anyways, we're going to deal with it. But I think for the beginning, I'm going to go in with Stay Gold, which is this more of a warmer antique type of gold. And with this one, flat brush, I think I'm just going to go ahead and begin to do something. Put it right on the lid. Kind of like that. I just want it to be kind of more in just the background. And then from here, just gonna take it up to the brow bone, whatever's left on the brush, use it as the brow highlight. Just so it's not so predominant, but just a whisper, just a hint there. And just, of course, packing it on here because it's where we want most of the pigment and the color, declare. There we go. Perfect. Let me go and do the other side and we'll be right back. So here we are. And from here, let's see what this looks like on camera. Let me go ahead and go in with a little bit of the 13th floor. Keeping it small, trying to at least. And just really begin to do the wing. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep the wing very small today compared to what I normally do. And just really begin to do the outline and create my wing. And my liner is what I meant to say with the blackout. 13th floor. Jesus. Not blackout. With the 13th floor. Perfect. Perfect. Let me go and do the other side and we'll be right back. Okay, so this is where we are. One side's already messed up as it is because I didn't put the tape on right, but it is what it is. We're gonna just deal with it. They are sisters and that's all that matters at the moment. So this is where we are at though. And it is a struggle having hooded eyes. Because one sister's always gonna be better than the other. Here we go. This is as good as it's gonna get. So, there's that. We are here. We're related. What did I just freaking do with my brush now? Oh, here we go. So this. I mean, from this angle, oh, to die. Head on, they're related. So that matters. Clean brush. The excess of whatever's left on from the eyeshadow, just blending it in to the Stay Gold. Right, basically into the crease. And we're just keeping it very subtle and smoky and subtle and smoky and subtle. Actually, you know what? Just a tiny bit. See that gradient of how it slowly comes over? That's what I want. That is what I want. And that is what this look needs. Drama. I mean, looking back at the, 10, 11 tutorials or something like that I've done with this palette, it's actually kind of cool of how many looks you can really create from this. If you just have influencers and brands that would just do a palette focus. Perfect. I mean, for me, the biggest thing I would love in this is a brown, but we all have palettes that already have brown in it, and I just really want to be able to create looks strictly from this palette. And I think we made an iconic stapled look, which is using two colors, the black and the gold, the 13th floor and the Stay Gold. Stay Golden, Pony Boy. And I think, ooh, I mean, the drama. This is actually, girl. Okay, we're done. We are definitely done with this look. Well, with the eyes at least. Yeah, Stay Gold and the 13th floor, y'all. So let me go and do the rest of my face. I don't think I'm gonna do anything on the bottom because I love the drama that is going on up here, and it's elongating the eye, so sultry. But I think I might do a bold lip. I don't know, we'll see. So you guys will see the finished look with the complexion and everything on after this, and I think I am literally leaving it just as that, nothing on the bottom, cleaning off the black in here maybe, and then I will see you guys in a few minutes. All right, and here we are with the final look. So this is what we have. Sorry, just did the setting spray, and I went ahead and did Julep. I don't even know if this brand is around anymore, but when I was working at Ulta, this was not the shizness, but it was cool. But this is the, what is this? Cream to powder blush stick and golden guava. It's what I have on, and on top of that I have Score from Urban DeCay. So it's more of like I mean, kind of the same almost, kind of there, kind of not. But I mean, oh, and Fireball for the blush. I mean highlighter. And for lips, I went way back. I probably should throw this away. But matte Bad Blood lipstick by Urban DeCay. That was a lot to say. But I mean, it still looks good. It's still good. But this was like their deep red and their, oh, it's just such an iconic color. Same with formulation. I mean, it's still good. My lips are still here. But for the eyes, that is the real point. So this is what I really, oh, I mean, come on. Look at that Stay Gold with the 13th floor. That is all you need for a sultry night out or afternoon. But yeah, number 11, 12 tutorial, somewhere around there. But without the ring light, this is natural lighting, of course. I mean, just look at, I love how, I mean, they just pop. Kind of like their Urban DeCay, Urban DeCay. Fenty Beauty's hashtag censored, uncensored, like that red with that blue undertone. But also Viva La Glam, not Viva La Glams, Rihanna's collaboration with Mac way back in the day. Woo, I think is what it's a Woo. That red, that blue undertone red, that is just, but it makes my teeth look white. But the eyes, yes. So stay gold, and 13th floor is literally all I have on the eyes. And I do love, I mean, compared to the last tutorial I just did with all the colors, and it's really cool to see the dynamics of going from literally the whole collage of all the colors to just really bringing it in just with two different colors. Because there's like maybe, I would love, did I already do a tutorial with Corona mixed with dye? I don't think so, because that would dye. Actually, that might be the next one, actually. The Corona right into the dye, because, I mean, they do complement each other so well. And this blue in real life is not as, like, turquoise as it shows up in camera, which is beautiful. And these are obviously meant more for really capturing from a distance. On camera, it's phenomenal. But in real life, it's beautiful just as much. But as usual, to see the final edit looks, go to my Instagram page, my makeup page, not my professional page, because I do have my professional photography and then a separate one strictly for my makeup. But yeah, I'd say maybe a couple more, handful more tutorials to come from this palette before we move on. I'm still deciding what's going to be the next palette focus. Might be Pat McGrath, it might be Anastasia Beverly Hills, it might be old school Urban Decay, it might be Smashbox, it might be Fenty, it might be Natasha Denona, it may or may not be. Who else do I have actually? Jeez. Oh, it might be Sephora. The Sephora Pro palettes are beautiful. Those videos would take at least, I could probably post a video every day for that. That's a lot actually. But we shall see what is going to be the next palette focus and what brand. Oh, it might be Charlotte Tilbury. Char. She might come through in the channel. So I just kind of glimpse of myself. But without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed. Learn, live, laugh, love it. This is so gorgeous. I'm actually really digging this look. I did it again. You guys enjoy your day. I'll see you next video.